This is the manual of the upcoming Oukitel WP22. For now, Oukitel has never made mention of the WP22, but it's going to be released this year. I don't know the exact day, I don't know the exact month, but it is expected to be released this year because it's going to be the successor of the WP21. It might be released next month, I don't know. Anyway, thanks to this page, I was able to know what the WP22 is going to look like. This is the front of the WP22, guys. So according to this blueprint here, the WP22 would have a teardrop display or a water drop notch display. And there are some labels. This is the front camera. The water drop notch would house the front camera. It has a receiver. There's a receiver, a vent hole at the top, touch screen, which is the display, a Type-C port at the bottom, and a mic, 3 color lights. I think that's a notification LED, a light sensor, and a distance sensor. This is the front of the device. So we're going to get the quick charger in the package, a UFC Type-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool. And as you can see here, it states 10,000 mAh battery. So I think that's going to be the battery capacity of the Oukitel WP22. This is the back of the device, guys. The back of the WP22 and the sides. On the right side, there's a fingerprint scanner embedded on the power button, and above the power button are the volume keys. On the left side, we have a SIM and SD card slot and a customizable key. And this is the back of the device, guys. Look at the back. This module has a hexagon shape. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 sides. Hexagon, and it contains a night vision camera, an infrared sensor, a macro camera, speaker hole or speaker grill, anyone, the main rear camera, and a flash. This is the back, guys, and right here is Oukitel's official brand logo. So thanks to this blueprint, we know what the Oukitel WP22 would look like. And as you can see here, the model number of the phone is WP22. This is going to be the Oukitel WP22, guys. This is what the WP22 would look like. I'll keep you guys updated if I get more details about this phone, because this is all I can get for now. Like I mentioned earlier, Oukitel has never mentioned the Oukitel WP22. So I'll keep you guys updated. If I see any new details about the device, I'll share with you guys. I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming rugged phone from Oukitel. Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.